Alright guys, 3-year update on the headlights. Let me show you a couple issues that have come up. Issue number 1. If you come over here to the side, you can see for some reason water likes to collect down here. And I now have some sort of little algae farm growing. And it is on both sides. You can see that water's in there. Now, along the bottom here, really no water sits in there, and so it looks pretty good for 3 years, I'd have to say. On the positive notes, the lights are much brighter than factory, and the low beams being built-in LEDs, they cast a nice straight line at night, and I almost never have to use my high beams anymore. Issue number 2, there is some sort of, you can kind of see it, micro thin plastic on here, and it is starting to peel off. I don't know what that is or why that's there. If you know, let me know in the comments down below. There you go, I'm trying to get a good image of it. It's that, you really don't notice it unless you're right up on it, but it's happening on both sides. If I put my finger, it helps focus. There you go. You can see, so that whatever this little plastic cover is, super thin layer of plastic, it is peeled off of the top and is working its way down. It's still nice above it, so I really don't know what it's for. Again, if you know, let me know in the comments. But all the lights, the side marker lights, the parking lights, the halos, all of them still work. And still look really good. Overall, I am really pleased with these lights. Still need to do the grill, but worth it to me. Looks a lot better than the old 2-piece. Hope this helps you out. I like to do long-term follow-ups. That way you can really see how something holds up over time. Alright guys, if you have any more questions about the lights, let me know.